Hello and welcome to Shimmy's Kitchen with me Shamala. Today I'm making easy pressure cooked chicken curry. This is a really good recipe for dinner, spicy Indian pressure cooked chicken curry. It's pretty easy to make and it tastes really good. So let's see how to make this. Let's start. Bismillah. In a bowl add 500 grams chicken with bones. Add half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Mix well and marinate this for 30 minutes. And next I'm going to roast the whole spices. Add 3 cardamoms in a pan, 5 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 dry red chillies, 1 bay leaf. Roast it nicely. And next I'm going to add 10 to 12 almonds. Roast it for a few seconds in a slow flame. And next I'm adding 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Roast it for a few seconds and then transfer this on a plate and cool down. And then grind it to a fine powder and set this aside. Add 1 tablespoon ghee in a pressure cooker, 2 tablespoon oil. Going to add 1 large finely chopped onion. Fry this till it becomes translucent. And to this I'm adding this marinated chicken. Fry this chicken till it changes the color. And next I'm going to add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Mix it up nicely. And to this I'm adding the roasted and blended masala. Give this a very nice mix. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. And next I'm adding some finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it up nicely. And now it's time to add 1 cup water. Give this a nice mix and now close the lid and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Once pressure goes off, open the lid. Mix well and set this aside. Heat 1 tablespoon oil or ghee in a pan. Add some fresh curry leaves. And now I'm going to add this chicken curry. Give this a very nice mix. And now squeeze half lemon. Give this a very nice mix and I'm going to close the lid and cook this for a minute in a slow flame and then switch off the flame. Easy and comforting chicken curry that doesn't demand too much of your time. It's not complicated at all. You can serve this chicken curry with roti, dosa, appam or rice. This is the perfect home style chicken curry for all you beginners. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, give me a great thumbs up below. Make sure you try this recipe. It's so good and very simple to make and definitely worth making this at dinner. So please leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.